Welcome back to Integrated Blockchains Update on cryptocurrencies. Today we are going to cover price update on Bitcoin. As you remember in last video, we said that Bitcoin is looking bearish and it could go up to 5,500 and 5,000. It did give a breakdown below 5950, however, it retraced from 5750 and came up above 6,000. And in that process, Bitcoin made one technical chart pattern which is called head and shoulder, but inverted head and shoulder. So if you see, this is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and this is the head of that thing. It started from 5750 to around 6850 levels, and after making this pattern, Bitcoin has given a breakout above this, giving us a potential target of around 7,900. So BTC has all the chances of going till 7,900 provided it stays above 6850, the breakout level. And currently, if you see, Bitcoin is trading around 7,330 and it is consolidating after giving this good move of 10% within few minutes when it gave the breakout on Wednesday. So now the potential target is 7,900, and if Bitcoin manages to stay above that, then what could be the further likely targets? Let us see that. So these are the various moving averages of Bitcoin. So you have a 50-day moving average, 30-day and 200-day. So if you see that Bitcoin is trading above 30-day, which is 6,528, 50-day, which is 6,722, and it is currently trading above that. So when Bitcoin is trading above that, it is in a bullish zone because it is trading above short-term averages. However, the long-term 200-day average is around 8,800. Now, if Bitcoin stays above 7,900, then there is a very high likelihood that Bitcoin could go up to 8,800. But for that, Bitcoin has to stay above 7,900, which is the target of inverse head and shoulder breakout pattern. Now, if Bitcoin retraces from here and it goes below 6850, then this entire bullish scenario gets negated. And again, Bitcoin could start going down. So the entire up move depends on whether Bitcoin manages to stay above 6850 or not. Currently, it seems that Bitcoin does have strength and it is showing strength that it could stay above that level, consolidate somewhere here. Bitcoin can retrace up to 7050 to between 7050 to 7150, and then again it can start a up move towards 7,900. After reaching there, it could again consolidate and make a dash towards 8,800. So this is what it seems like Bitcoin can make this move provided it stays above 6850. So to conclude, Bitcoin did give a breakdown below 5950 till 5750, but it was very short-lived. It recovered and it had formed inverse head and shoulder pattern. It gave a breakout of this pattern, giving us a probable target of 7,900. If BTC stays above that, it can try reaching 200 DMA, which is around 8,800. A retrace below 6,850 will negate the breakout of inverse head and shoulder pattern. If you think this video has added some value to you or it has given you some information, then please like, comment and subscribe to our videos and blogs. And guys, also remember, these videos are for educational purposes. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trading call based on this. Thank you for watching our video and have a great weekend.